Crazy few happenings in the world of AI which compelled me to make this short AI news video. Let's go through it quickly. I'm sure you will be as shocked as I was. First, Microsoft just introduced VASA 1. It's a new AI model that can turn one photo and one piece of audio into a fully lifelike human deepfake. Just see these demos, they are quite wild.
Yo, I'm a paparazzi. I don't play no Yahtzee. I go pop, 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 pop. My camera's up your crotch. See, I tell the truth from what I see and sell it to parentality. Don't call me scuzzy, making money. That's my job, celeb photography. What? Hell no, I'm not needy. I'm legit, not paparazzi. Don't act so hotsy-totsy, bitch. I know that you...
Sometimes nothing happens, and sometimes everything happens all at once, and you just gotta deal with it. Have you ever had, maybe you're in that place right now where you want to turn your life around, and you know somewhere deep in your soul there could be some decisions that you have to make, like, you know, like it's like something was decided for you.
The first thing we need to look at is the letter H, so the sound at the beginning. It depends what country you're from, but many native languages have a problem with putting too much tightness in the throat, and it can become more of a sound. So it's very important not to over-exaggerate this sound. It's a very soft, very relaxed sound in English. So just softly release the sound. Help.
My tip number 3 kind of contradicts my tip number 4.
Boston Dynamics just unveiled a new all-electric version of its Atlas humanoid robot. It's designed for real-world applications and boasts of impressive flexibility, including the ability to push itself up from the ground up and rotate its head and torso a full 180 degrees. Researchers from Tencent just developed InstantMesh. It's an open AI system that creates 3D models from a single 2D image in under 10 seconds. Amazon Music launched a beta of its own AI music generator called Maestro. It's a new AI tool that allows users to create unique playlists based on prompts with keywords, emojis, emotions, activities, and sounds. Google DeepMind researchers shared new demos of its low-cost Aloha 2 robots. The new demos showcase the robot's ability to tie shoelaces, hang shirts, and much more. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.